Welcome to M&E Music Company. My name is Mr. Martins Bamidele. We're going to be talking about performance direction today. And what this entails is your posture, the way you caress the piano when you are playing the piano. You know, it shows how advanced you are in the playing of the piano. Like there's a word they use in Italian as forte. When you are playing piano, you don't just bang it. You like caress it. Let me give you an example. It's different from, you know, so that the distorting of the music will be out of it. It will be smooth and nice to the ear. We have another name they call pianissimo. That's play very soft. You can play something like this. You see, there's a little bit different from the one I played before on this one, because on the music sheet I've seen that play this music very soft. So that's the meaning of performance direction. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.